Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a loose shawl tutorial. Without waiting for too long, let's just start with the video. For the first style, you need to have both sides are the same length. Then taking the left side of your shawl and go to your right side and pin it with a pin. Taking the left side of your shawl and go all over to the front and just let it there. Don't forget to pull out the back of your shawl to be more longer. Now taking the inside part of the right side of the shawl and go under the left side and make a hole out of it and just tie them at once. Taking another pin and just pin it on my right side just to make the shawl more secure. Lastly, I'm using a safety pin and pin it on my right shoulder. And you're done with the first style. Last but not least is the fourth style. You need to have a short and also a long side. Next, taking the left side of the shawl and fold it a bit and go to your right side. using a pin and pin it over there. Take the left side of the shawl and put it at the and you're complete with the fourth style. Let me know what's your favorite style in this video and see you next time. Bye! Assalamualaikum.